Ito kami guys, sa taas ng disyerto guys. Cheers! Yan o. So nandito nga pala kami sa Desert Safari ngayon. At ayan ang aming ATV. Nag-ride kami dito sa disyerto. Nandito ako sa disyerto guys. Ayun o. Para kami nasa Marilaki. Stay behind.
Okay, so after the meal,
Yeah.
you want to open the bike to move. Because of I don't want you cannot see. Two experience, okay?
Okay.
And the room is good, no sense, and I don't go in the bathroom, okay?
Okay.
Go.
Maintindihan.